Welcome to our tutorial. Today we're showing you how to use the trending Instagram sticker called 6 Pics to start autumn. Let's get started. Launch the Instagram app on your device. Search for the creator. In the search bar, type in Moonsol Design. This profile created the popular sticker and currently has over 1.1 million stories featuring it. Tap on the highlight labeled IG Stories templates. Since this profile is very active, it might take a moment to find what you need. Scroll through the highlight until you find the 6 Pics to start autumn template. Tap on Add Yours. This will open the template directly in your story editor. Choose 6 photos that showcase your favorite moments from summer or your anticipation for autumn. Arrange them in the template as you like. Once you've personalized your template, share it to your story. Celebrate the transition into autumn with your followers. We hope you're excited for the new season. For more helpful tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.